A couple of months ago, our Action Jackson student leadership group that Jennifer Atchison sponsors here at Jackson, they were able to help create a free library from Storytime Village in combination with Go Create. And then we were supposed to do our unveiling about a month ago, but the weather did not cooperate, so we had to reschedule. And today we were unveiling the box and stocking it full of books from Storytime Village.
Our mission is to inspire a lifelong love of reading. We want you to love to read. We have installed a little free library that you're going to see.
We have a thing that we could grab books and then grab books, take it, share it, and then we can come back and put it back.
So you take it, you might like it, you want to share it, bring it back, or you could put another book inside of it. You keep it going. You give a book, take a book. We're going to make sure you have books, and then we're going to take a trip to the little free library. We want you to see it. We're going to unveil the little free library.
We went outside for our Action Jackson. It is a special time where once a month, every month, we do something for the community. And this time, we made a mailbox for people who have a hard time reading and just need to practice more. So during the summer, when people aren't in school and don't have access to books, they can go to our library outside and get some if they need it.
And it's not locked. People can go there and find a book and go home wherever like you live or something and read.
This is your little free library, and there's going to be books. We're going to make sure there are always books in here for you to read.
Just like our Paxton's Blessing box, right beside it is our little free library.
Can you pull it off? Can you pull it off? Can you pull it off?
Throughout the summer, we have staff who will come and stock the Blessing box as well, and Storytime Village will help keep our library stocked with books as well.
If you got a book to put in the little free library, it's time for you to put it on in here. There you go.
I think it was amazing because it gives more kids an opportunity to know how to read and have fun.
Partnerships are huge for a school. We couldn't do many of the extra things that we do, but the servant leadership piece that we do here at Jackson with our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders would not be possible without our community partners.